In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock a PowerPoint presentation from editing using the Mark as Final feature. This is perfect if you're sharing slides with colleagues, clients, students, or anyone else, and you want to prevent accidental changes. While this method doesn't fully encrypt the file, it clearly marks the presentation as final and discourages quick edits. It's fast, simple, and built directly into Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open the PowerPoint presentation that you want to lock. Make sure all your edits are complete, because once you mark it as final, PowerPoint will discourage further editing unless someone manually overwrites it. After your file is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can access file level settings and options. Once you're inside the File menu, make sure you are on the Info tab. In most versions of PowerPoint, this is selected by default when you click File. On the right-hand side, you'll see a section called Protect Presentation. Click on Protect Presentation to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains several options for securing your file, including adding a password, restricting access, and marking the presentation as final. From the drop-down list, click on Mark as Final. As soon as you select this option, PowerPoint will display a message explaining what this does. It lets you know that the presentation will be marked as complete and saved as read-only. This helps prevent accidental editing because the file will open in a protected state. Go ahead and click OK to confirm. You may see a second confirmation message telling you that the document has been marked as final. Click OK again. Once this is done, your presentation is now marked as final. When someone opens the file, they'll see a notification bar at the top stating that the presentation is marked as final and encouraging them not to make changes. The editing tools will be disabled by default, making it much harder for someone to casually modify your slides. It's important to understand that this is not the same as password protection. If someone really wants to edit the file, they can click Edit anyway. However, for most professional situations, Mark as Final is more than enough to signal that the document is complete and should not be changed. If you ever need to remove this restriction yourself, simply go back to File, click Info, select Protect Presentation again, and click Mark as Final to toggle it off. The presentation will return to normal editing mode. And that's it. That's how you lock a PowerPoint presentation from editing using the Mark as Final feature. Quick, simple, and built right into PowerPoint. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint and Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.